Let's start practicing our times table. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 into 6, 1. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 into 12, 2. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 into 18, 3. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 into 24, 4. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 into 30, 5. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 into 36, 6. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 into 42, 7. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 into 48, 8. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 into 54, 9. 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 into 60, 10. 6 times 11 equals 66. 6 into 66, 11. 6 times 12 equals 72. 6 into 72, 12. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 into 7, 1. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 into 14, 2. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 into 21, 3. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 into 28, 4. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 into 35, 5. 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 into 42, 6. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 into 49, 7. 7 times 8 equals 56. 7 into 56, 8. 7 times 9 equals 63. 7 into 63, 9. 7 times 10 equals 70. 7 into 70, 10. 7 times 11 equals 77. 7 into 77, 11. 7 times 12 equals 84. 7 into 84, 12. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 into 8, 1. 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 into 16, 2. 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 into 24, 3. 8 times 4 equals 32. 8 into 32, 4. 8 times 5 equals 40. 8 into 40, 5. 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 into 48, 6. 8 times 7 equals 56. 8 into 56, 7. 8 times 8 equals 64. 8 into 64, 8. 8 times 9 equals 72. 8 into 72, 9. 8 times 10 equals 80. 8 into 80, 10. 8 times 11 equals 88. 8 into 88, 11. 8 times 12 equals 96. 8 into 96, 12.